Hello, this is Patrick from XPression. I'd like to show you a new feature in XPression Maps 3.4 and higher, the ability to do multiple selections of anchor points on an area shape. So here I am again. If you remember our last video, I was working to modify the shape of Morocco by adding an area to it. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to show you again. Here's the shape of Morocco. I'm going to take a white area and I'm going to drop it into where Morocco is. I'm going to go into my shape editor and I'm going to click on Morocco and I'm going to delete it. So you can see that I pretty much have a white outline here, a white shape I should say. And when I click on it, now I have the area. And what you watched me do in the last video was go through painstakingly manually deleting each anchor point. Well, guess what? We kind of looked at that and we hated it too. So what you do now, and again remember these go clockwise. I'm going to click up here and I'm going to click on a spot on the right side. I'm going to hold down the shift key on my keyboard. I'm going to come over to one on the left side and click on it. And you'll notice now I have a whole bunch of them highlighted. I press the delete key and they go away. It's multiple selection. And you can see I'm going to go back and I can still do the individual deletes. And I'm going to come up here and I'm going to delete a couple here. And you can see that I've pretty much got what I'm looking to do. And again, I haven't magnified it. But there I go, now I've got the proper shape for Morocco. Now I also want you to notice that this works just dragging any area shape out here and creating the shape for it. You can see that I've got a shape. Again, I can click on any point. I can hold down the shift key. I can click on a different point and you'll see that multiples are selected. If I hit the delete key, they'll go away. So this is multiple selection of anchor points on an area shape.